nice to see you. Today we are gonna draw a cute princess. Let's look at the picture. She has the head, hair, crown, dress and arms. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, crown, dress and arms. Check my Patreon for cute coloring pages and private drawing lessons for kids. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the head. Just spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. We are gonna draw a circle. Circle. The next step is her neck. Draw 2 short lines underneath her head. The first and the second. Okay, good job. Then let's draw her hair. We're gonna draw a curve inside the circle on the right side and another curve on the left side. Okay, good job. The next step is her eyes. Draw 2 dots. The first and the second. Our princess has roses in her cheeks. Draw C shape on the right side and backward C shape on the left side. Oh, you're doing great! She's so cute. Then let's add U shape in the middle for her smile. Okay, now it's time to her dress. Draw horizontal line underneath her neck. Then 2 vertical lines on each side and connect them. Now let's draw the bottom of her dress. Draw a long curved line on the left side and the same line on the right side and connect them. Okay, you're doing great. Now it's time for her arms. Draw straight diagonal line on the left side and on the right side. Then let's add ovals for her palms on each side. Then let's draw her long wavy hair. Draw wavy line on the left side and connect with the dress. And the same wavy line on the right side. It starts over here, comes down and connect with the dress. Now let's draw her crown. Draw 2 vertical lines on the top of her head and connect with 3 V shape. 1, 2, 3. Good job! Oh, we did it! Your princess is so cute! Now let's color her together. You can choose any color you like. I choose orange for her crown. The first step is tracing. I'm tracing a crown and coloring inside. Then let's color her hair. I'm tracing again. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Oh, you're doing great. And coloring inside. Remember, try to stay inside the lines. Oh, I like your hair. It's so beautiful. Now let's color her cheeks. I use pink. You can choose any color you like. Then I coloring dress, tracing, and coloring. I want to see drawing so much. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Oh, your dress is so amazing! Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing, Princess! You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos. YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Love you. Bye bye.